Are you telling the committee si Sec Singson ang nag-recommend sa inyo noong 2016 at nag-back sa inyo noong 2018 to 2019? Sino po yung mga taong iyon?
Hindi ko po sinasabi, Mr. Chair, na si Secretary Singson kasi hindi na po siya secretary nung...
Opo, so sino nga po?
Si Mark Villar po was the incoming, Secretary Mark Villar was the incoming secretary during the time.
2016 or 2019?
2016.
2016.
Sige,
And then
thank you po,
2019.
Senator Ontiveros, your time is up.
Sige. Last follow-up na lang, Mr. Chair, dahil
Okay,
hindi
go
pa
ahead.
nasagot. And in 2019, sino pong nag-recommend or nag-back sa inyo?
Si Secretary Mark Villar po,
So,
Mr.
both
Chair.
2016 and 2019. Salamat.
Mr. Chair, may I po? I was
Quickly
not
lang, quickly, yeah, answer that.
I was not appointed in 2019. I was appointed as Undersecretary, I think November of 2017.
2017.